Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Denny Putra with NPN 22411-057, class management 22A. You can call me Denny because my friend call him that. Okay, in this video I will tell you about the material capital structure analysis. Definition of capital structure. According to financial expert, M. capital structure refer to the mix of long-term structure refer to the mix of long-term source of fund, source of debentures, long-term debt, preference share capital, and equity share capital, including reserve and surplus, and equity share capital, including reserve and surplus. Financial expert John J. Hampton states that capital structure is this combination of debt and equity securities that comprise the financial of a company asset. Financial of the company asset. Another definition capital structure is the balance or ratio between on capital and for capital in this sense. On capital is return of ownership of the company, while for capital is of them that ownership the company, while foreign capital is in the form of short-term and long-term debt. Next, capital structure function. Maxim Next, capital structure function. Maximizing return, reduce financial risks, minimize cost of capital, optimization fund utilization. I will design capital arrangement profits scope to increase earning per share so as to maximize return to equity shareholder and restore the utilization of fund. This maximizing return to equity shareholder and recovering the cost of borrowing costs. The current structure can balance the debt and equity of the business. In doing so, it can help the company do the manage and reduce financial risks. The capital structure can provide long-term debt capital planning for the company strategically. Thus, it can help minimize the cost of capital. Good and organized capital arrangement help the company in generating optimal output from the fund. Product optimal output from the fund that are available to the firm. Assisting company tax planning flexibility. For company that's for debt funding, good capital management can help tax deductibility of benefit and saving the rate, reduce borrowing costs. Corporate tax optimization can be done by using applications such as online pajak as a service provider or service provider. Online pajak has features that can optimize corporate tax and avoid risks. Optimize corporate tax and avoid the risk of non-compliance so as to maximize the company capital. A good capital structure can facilitate the expansion or contraction of debt capital to the company strategy and condition. The capital to suit the company strategy and condition. Next, solvency. Existing company value, good structure management can help maintain the liquidity of the company because Unplanned debt capital can lead to interest payment expense, which can reduce the company cash. A healthy capital structure can attract investor attention to invest in company. The reward can increase the market value of stock and securities. Theory of capital structure. Capital traditional approach theory trade-off theory. This theory states that there is an optimal capital structure. This means structure has an influence of firm value, which structure can change in order to get the optimal firm value. Optimal firm value is theory that determines the optimal structure by including factors such as tax, agency cost of financial difficulty, firmware is still maintains an assumption of symmetry, information and market efficiency, so business will think of save on tax and hardship costs on finance. Modigliani and Miller theory oppose pecking order theory. Agency theory. This theory is named after its originator Franco Modigliani and Merton Miller. This theory is divided into two, namely the theory without tax and the theory with tax. This theory states that a higher profit level of a higher company will have a smaller debt level. Debt levels, specifically companies, have an order of preference in the use of funds. This theory states that the structure is created to reduce conflict between groups. Asset structure tangibility. Ground opportunity. According to Weston and Brigham, asset structure in the balance of ratio between fixed asset and total asset, or the ratio between fixed asset and total asset. Then there is also, according to Samsudin, that's the structure of asset in the determination of the amount of allocation of fund for each component of asset. Box fixed asset and current asset. Ground opportunity is the company opportunity to grow is the future firmware, according to Cardini and Arianto 2008. Ground opportunity is the change in total asset owned by the company. In the change in total asset owned by the company. How management decide capital structure? To be able to decide in the ideal capital structure for the company, manager analyze the cost of capital using a weighted average cost of capital calculation. The weighted average cost of capital, or WACC, in the average after-tax cost of capital of all sources of funding such as common stock, bond, and equity. The average after-tax cost of capital from all sources of funding such as common stock, preferred stock, bond, and other types of debt. Weighted average cost of capital in the method used to determine the required rate of return (RRR) or minimum profit, which is used to pay the cost of capital. Profit, which is later used to pay the cost of capital. To be able to calculate the WACC, a manager needs to analyze the various costs of companies that exist in each of these funding methods, what's in all considering that must be paid to attract investor, be it shareholder or bondholder. Shareholder of bondholder the great the WACC the great the internet. Conclusion. We can understand the capital structure as the ratio that occur in return capital with equity capital ownership, both short and long term. Long term, the purpose of the capital structure itself is to combine permanent and current source of fund the company a present. This can be realized if the company has good capital structure management. Capital structure management, both internal and external financial conditional, will be maintained safe so that the company will avoid bankruptcy. Financial management will also avoid external debt or loans. It is hoped that companies can have significant progress financial by understanding the capital structure well. Financial by understanding good capital structure. Thank you so much for watching my video and thank you so much for your attention. Saya ucapkan terima kasih. Saya Hariri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.